Rising concerns tonight as the fetal heartbeat bill moves through the Tennessee legislature. If passed, it would be one of the strictest abortion laws in the country.
Yeah, that's right, Richard. And the measure would ban abortion at the first sign of a heartbeat. But Local 24 News political analyst Otis Sanford believes it needs to go back to the drawing board. Here's his point of view.
If members of the Tennessee State Senate are smart, they will do the opposite of what the State House did last week when it hastily passed the so-called fetal heartbeat bill. The Republican-controlled House refused to listen to sensible arguments that the bill has serious constitutional problems and could jeopardize other anti-abortion measures currently in force in Tennessee, including a 48-hour waiting period. Even groups that have been pushing for years to restrict abortion in the state were opposed to the heartbeat bill. Similar legislation has already been struck down in other states. But conservative House members ignored all that and forged ahead with this ill-thought-out bill. Now the proposal goes to the GOP-controlled Senate, but indications are Senate leaders will take a more deliberate approach. They understand that if the bill becomes law, a costly court battle is certain, and the state will likely lose. The bill that passed the House is arguably the most restrictive in the country. It prevents an abortion once a heartbeat is detected, which usually occurs at about 6 weeks. Critics argue that's about the time when many women learn they are pregnant. Even worse, the House bill makes no exception for rape or incest. Sadly, Governor Bill Lee has indicated that he will sign the bill if it reaches his desk. Here's hoping it does not, at least not in its current form. And that's my point of view. I'm Otis Sanford for Local 24 News.